Guys, in the history of Ayamase stew, in the history of making Ayamase stew, you cannot start making Ayamase stew without thinking about green bell pepper. Okay, green pepper. You have to get your green pepper ready, before you start talking about Ayamase. There is no Ayamase stew without a green bell pepper. Trust me. So here we are going to check the egg, making sure the egg is done. So you have to boil the egg. So there is no Ayamase stew without boiled egg. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys when I'm going to add the egg to the stew. So keep watching, guys. So another thing is, after putting the green bell pepper on the blender, so you have to blend it. You have to blend it half done. Okay, you have to blend the green bell pepper half done. You don't need to make it as a puree. You blend it half done. That is how we use it to make ayamase stew. So here I am blending the green bell pepper. You can see my blender, so you got to put it and then you turn it on and allow it to grind, to blend, just half done. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, African Lioness TV. Here, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share. Put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video, guys. In today's video, you know why I'm happy. You know why I'm happy. Join me. I'm going to make ayamase stew. Ayamase stew. Hey, special stew, special delicacy. They call it what do they call it again? Ofada stew, or you call it it has about three, in fact, different names. You call it ayamase stew. You call it designer stew. You call it ofada rice. So whichever one you wanna call it, you call it. That's what we are going to make today. Yeah! Welcome to African Lioness TV's kitchen, guys. We are new here. Welcome, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video. Also, tell us where you are watching from. Yay! Tell us where you are watching from. Okay, yeah, I'm making this Ofada stew here in Texas. Yay! Yeah, so let me show you guys the ingredients I'm using to make this stew. Come on with me. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Look at it. Look at the ingredients. Let me turn the camera so you can see, guys. So, guys, to make ayamase stew, first of all, you have to get your green bell pepper ready. Blend it, with your food processor. So I use this my food processor to blend this. You have to chop it, but you don't have to make it look like puree. You make it to like be half chop. So this one is egg. I'm going to use this boiled egg. I'm going to show you guys when I'm going to add the egg. So this one is red oil. I'm going to use this red oil to make it. This one is salt. This one is pepper, or you call it habanero pepper. Habanero pepper. This one is Another um, protein that I want to use, I'm using fish and meat. This one is onion. I already sliced the onion. This one is fish broth. I'm going to use this fish broth. This one is crayfish. This one is ogiri okpei. This is ogiri okpei. You can add a little black pepper. So this one is black pepper, so you can add some black pepper if you want. So this is what I'm frying is chicken. What I'm frying in this thing is chicken. So this one is the chicken I'm frying. So this one like is done, but I don't want everywhere. You know, red oil is always, when you want to use it to cook, it makes like kind of choky environment. So I don't want it to look like that. That's why I covered it, and I'm frying my protein. That is organic chicken that I'm using to make it. Let's check it. See, it has brown. So what I will do now is to put it uh, inside a plate. So I'm going to transfer this. This is the chicken I'm using to make it, but I'm first of all frying it, at the same time trying to bleach the oil, because the oil to cook this, you have to bleach it. You have to bleach the oil. So that's what I'm doing here, frying it at the same time bleaching the oil. Okay, it has brown. It's loading. This is the fried organic chicken. Fried organic chicken. I use oil in moderation if I must use oil at all. Sometimes I don't even like using oil. I just like one drop. So, but if I must use at all, I will use it in moderation. Okay, this one is ready. It has brown already. So let's allow this one to cook. Let's allow it to cook, to fry, before we can use it. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to, and I guess this meat is done. I have to turn on the vent to suck to suck the smoke away. You know that this local that's brown. It has brown enough. See, it has brown. See, look at the meat. So what next? What next? What next is to squeeze out the juice. The juice inside this green bell pepper. I'm going to squeeze it out so that it will be easy to fry. Okay. So let me show you guys as I'm going to squeeze out the juice. I'm going to show you guys. Show you how I'm going to squeeze out the juice. So I'm going to use this sieve to sieve it. For it to dry, for the water to dry. Do it this way. See? See, do it this way. Dry out the water in this form. Let me raise my hand. I'm still going to use the water to cook it, but I need to see. This is the green pepper, green bell pepper. I did not blend it with scotch bonnet pepper or habanero. You know that habanero is so hot. If I have the habanero here now, my hand is gonna be pepperish. So that's why I did not add it. This is the green pepper. So I'm squeezing out the water to make it easy to dry. Yeah, so I think that should do it. This is the juice. See, oh my god, lot of juice. I'm still going to use this juice to cook. So let's pour our pepper here. Look at it. See, look at it. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna put our oil back to the fire. See, this is the oil we are going to use. This is the oil I'm going to use. Like I told you, I don't use too much oil for food. So I'm going to turn on the fire and start the real Ayamase. Ayamase stew. The real Ayamase stew, guys. Let me bring this closer so that you're gonna see it as I'm adding it one after the other. Okay. So this is the oil I'm going to use. Make the Ayamase. Okay, it looks like it's ready. So next thing to add is to add some salt. Salt makes it not to catch fire. Reduce the light. Light is too much. Too much so that it will not catch fire. Time to add this one. Okay, so that it will be marinating our protein. Let's add our protein. This pot is like this pot is little, but this Ayamase stew. Maybe I'm gonna transfer it to a bigger pot. But I'm going to show you guys the final look. If this pot cannot contain it, I'm gonna transfer it to a bigger pot. Okay, let's transfer to this pot. Maybe this one. This is green stew. That's what we are making. Green stew. Green stew. add more onions. Me, when I'm making soup or stew, I don't add all my onions at the same time. So now I have to add my habanero pepper with iru. I have to add the fish. Mm. Then let's turn our stew. Ọ na-eyizikwa ife o. Ọ na-eyizikwa ife. Ọ na-eyizikwa ife. Wow. So this is the juice. The juice from the bell pepper. I'm going to add it because I don't want to lose any any vitamin. Okay? Yeah. This is the remainder of crayfish. Woo! Ọ na-eyizikwa ife o kwesịrị iyi, guys. Hmm. Hey, hey. Wow, this looks good. The green stew. The green stew. Hmm. The green stew. Ofada stew. Ofada stew. Ofada stew. Anyhow, the aqua, the egg. So keep boiling. Let me. Hey, ọ na-eyizikwe ife o kwesịrị iyi, guys. Ọ na-eyizikwe ife o kwesịrị ka o yie. Negodu anya. Woo! Ofada rice, ofada stew. Ayamase itself. Green. Hey, so we have to add the eggs, guys. Let's add the eggs to it. Let's see. This is the eggs. Okay. So this is it. Ofada rice. Ofada stew. Ayamase in the building. Whoa. Whoa. Oyigokwa na ife ọ ga-eyi o. Okay. You add eggs. Spring onion, guys. Spring onion. Spring onion. And our ayamase is done. Oh. Hey, guys. Our ayamase is done. Finally, ayamase is done. Finally. Ayamase is done. Yes. Guys, share your thoughts on the comment section. Share your thoughts on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this designer steel. Designer steel. Tell us what you think, guys. It's done. It is done. It is done. Gotta turn it off. Yes. It is done. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Please subscribe if you are yet to do so. If you are watching up till
So
now,
guys,
subscribe. Hit the red button to subscribe, guys.
let's try and see our green stew. Our green stew. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I want to use it to eat spaghetti. Where you go pay for ye?
So in this place, I have to share the food in portions, share it into different plates so that I can store it in the freezer for easy access, for us to pick it one after the other. If you finish one plate, you can pick another plate than bringing out a whole stew in the pot. So that's why I share it into different portions here. So guys, if you are watching up till now, thank you so much. Please hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, and tell us what you think about this video. Share your thoughts on the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. See you soon.